I want to show you how it's packaged and what you get inside the box. Choose the make and models you are after, and here's what it looks like opening up. We have an instruction guide, very easy to go over. We have packed in plastic and wrapped up in tape your top bracket, your pendant light. Inside's going to be your wire nuts and bolts, your chain. In the next box, as we open up, will be an E26 bulb, 110 volt. And last but not least, your pendant light protected by styrofoam. Bulbs can be simply placed in from underneath. Tempered thick glass, your pendant light with the photo cell from dusk to dawn. Place in the bulb from the bottom. With the leads and the ground, you're simply going to snake the cable through every other chain link. And then through the hole, you're going to place in your copper and your leads and pull the rest through, taking the other end, opening up the chain link, sliding it through and locking down. When completed, this is what you have. Your pendant light ready to hang to the ceiling. With your bracket on, you're going to attach your bolts through the hole. You're going to place on each of the bell nuts and allow your chain to hang freely. The photo cell detects low light. So when your hand is covering the photo cell, the light comes on. And when it goes away and detects light, it shuts off. That is the auto and on, dusk to dawn. It's a 4-foot chain, measures about 7.5 inches in width, 5 inches here by 7.5 in height. It is a weather-resistant outdoor pendant light, dusk to dawn, bulb included. We're waiting for the evening hours and the light should just about come on. And there we are, just like that. It has a photo cell sensor located over here. And the light's lit up, gives you an idea what it looks like when dusk starts to hit. Tall ceilings, tall gazebos, shelters, lean-tos, wherever you have an area to hang an outdoor light, this dusk to dawn light may be right for you. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are after.